You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to find and replace text in Microsoft Word documents. Here we will use Python docx and regular expression library package. We will perform this operation on multiple documents of the same Word file. Let's start. First of all, we will install all necessary packages. Here I am using Anaconda command prompt. First library package is RE, that is regular expressions, and second library is Python docx. Here I am using pip manager for installation of library packages. Now next we will check the docx Microsoft Word file where we will perform find and replace operation. Here I will change the word India, which you will find in different paragraphs. I will change India with another word, that is Bharat. Here we will also change word in a table. My editor is Anaconda Spider. First of all, we will import both the libraries. First library is RE, and from second library, that is Python docx, we will import document. Here in place of Python docx, we will only write docx. Next we will import the word which we want to replace and save that string in a variable x. Next we will convert this string into a regular expression and save that expression in a variable t. Here we will use compile function for conversion of a single string into a regular expression. Next we will import the new word which will be placed in place of old word. This string will be stored in a variable r. Next we will input the file name. It means the name of docx Microsoft Word file. Here I am using india.docx file. You can also input from the user. Next we will call the function document and pass our MS Word file as an parameter in this function. This will convert our file into a document. Document means a group of paragraph. Next we will call our new user defined function, that's name is myReplace, and pass all three parameters, where first parameter is new document, second one is the text to be replaced, and third parameter is the new text word. After replacing all the words with new words, now we will save our document as a Word file by using save function and pass the new Word file. Here we are passing the same name. Next we will write our final statement that we have replaced all the words with new words. Next we will write the function body of our user defined function myReplace, that is also called definition of function. Here our three arguments are, first one is document, second one is the text to be replaced, and third one is our new text. Here the text to be replaced is called regex and the new text is called replace and document is called file. Next, by using for loop, we will read each paragraph of the document one by one. Here P represent each paragraph. Next, by using if condition, we will check whether the word which we want to replace is present in each paragraph. Now each paragraph is further divided into different blocks that are called runs. These are special formatted blocks. All blocks are stored in a variable inline. Next, by using for loop, we will read each and every string of the inline block. Next, we will search whether our regex word is present in any inline block. If it is present, then we will use subfunction of regular expression that will just replace old string with new string and create a new string. Next, we will place our new replaced string in inline block. Next, we will check our document for the presence of any table. If any table is present, then we will check all the rows of that table. Next, we will check all the cells of each row. Next, if our regex word is present in any cell, then we will just replace regex word with our new word. We have created our program for find and replace. Next, we are running the program. First of all, it is asking for the text to be replaced. Here I am entering the word India. Next is new text, that is Bharat. It is displaying the message that text has replaced. So now we are opening the word file and check whether our old word India is replaced with Bharat or not. Here you can see in each occurrence of India is successfully replaced with word Bharat. Even in table, the word India is replaced with Bharat. Now again we will run the program and check the output of the program. Now we will replace the word Bharat with new word India. It is just a reverse of our previous replacing. Now it is displaying the message that text is replaced. So again we open the word file. Here you can see Bharat is replaced with again India. So each occurrence of Bharat is replaced with India. Now I am closing my tutorial for today. Thank you.